page number 52. The giant's wife was very kind. So here we came to know that huge lady, she was the wife of giant. Okay, who was she? She was actually the wife of giant. You can see the picture of the giant here. He is a giant. Okay, so here we can find out by this sentence that giant with his wife, both of them, they lived in that big castle. Okay, they both lived in that big castle, right? Here is the castle, and the huge lady, she is the huge lady with the giant, they both live in that castle. So here, when the Jack asked for some breakfast as he was very hungry, so the giant's wife, being very kind because she was a very good lady, she said, "Very well, little man, come in, but you must be quick about it." So she agreed, and she told that Jack to come inside, but she asked him to be very quick. Okay, if my husband the giant finds you here, he will eat you up, bones and all. Here is a cup of milk and some sandwiches. So she offered him a cup of milk and some sandwiches. You all love sandwiches, right? Sandwiches, you all know, na? We fill something inside, two breads, anything, some vegetables or some mayonnaise. Many times we have potatoes, boiled potatoes also. So many kinds of sandwiches are there, and we all love sandwiches. So here also, the giant's wife, that huge lady, she offered him a cup of milk and some sandwiches to eat, as she was very kind, and when Jack requested very politely, so she accepted and she offered him a cup of milk, but she told him to be very quick, because if her husband the giant, if he finds him here, if he finds Jack over here, so he will eat him, right? He can eat him alive, he can even eat his bones and all. So he told Jack to be very quick to eat this breakfast, and to move away from here. Okay, she wanted the Jack to finish it very quickly. Okay, so she told Jack to be very quick. Okay, suddenly there was a loud knock at the front door, which seemed to shake even the thick walls of the castle. So suddenly what happened? There was a loud knock at the front door. There was a very loud knock at the front door. Someone was knocking at the front door, and it was very loud that even the walls, the thick walls of that castle, that also shake due to that loud knock at the front door, because the giant was knocking, right? And he was so big. So if the giant was knocking with his hand, so that due to that, even the thick walls of that castle also shakes. Okay, the giant's wife quickly lifted Jack up. So she understand that my husband is coming. So what she did, she quickly lifted Jack, she quickly picked up Jack, and she popped him into that kettle. Okay, she picked him up and she put the Jack inside the kettle. Pop means put something inside. She tried to hide Jack inside that empty kettle. When her husband roared out, okay, roared means shouted loudly. So when her husband shouted very loudly in front of the door, at the front door, so what she did, she tried to hide the Jack inside the kettle. She popped him, she picked him up, and she put it inside the empty kettle, because she knows that if my husband finds the Jack here, he is going to eat him. Okay. Next, what happened? Fee, fee, fo, fum. I smell the blood of a young one. Be he alive or be he dead, I'll grind his bones to make my bread. So he started saying, fee, fee, fo, fum, that he is smelling the blood of a young one. Okay, being a giant, and he likes to eat the flesh of that animals we can say, or the human beings we can say, he was very giant. So he can smell the blood of a young one, and he was saying that be he alive or be he dead, he can grind his bones, he can crush him into small pieces to make my bread. Make my bread means to make my meal. Okay, it's a boy, I'm sure it is. He continued, where is he? I'll have him for my breakfast. So he was telling that it's a boy, I know it is a boy, and where is he? I'll find him and I will eat him as my breakfast. Okay, I'll have him for my breakfast. Nonsense, said his wife. You must be mistaken. It's the ox hide you smell. So that huge lady, his wife, she tried to hide it, and she said that nonsense. No, it is not a boy. There is no boy in our castle, and you must be mistaken. You are wrong. It is the ox hide. Actually, it is the ox hide. It is the skin of an ox you are smelling. There is no boy in our castle. Okay, she tried to hide it. Thus the giant sat down. So after that conversation, and after that conversation with his wife, he relaxed and he sat down. The giant sat down and ate a greater part of the greater part of the ox means ox meat. Okay, so he ate that ox meat, and when he had finished, he said, wife, bring me my money bags. Okay, when he had the ox meat for his breakfast, and then after finishing that ox meat, he asked his wife to bring his money bags. He want to count the coins. So okay, his wife brought him 2 bags of gold. You can see here in this picture, he is counting the gold coins. Okay, so his wife brought him 2 bags of gold, and the giant began to count his money. Okay, so giant began to count his money. So everything here the Jack was watching, and he was where he was inside the kettle, right? He was inside the kettle, because when the giant wife, when she heard about the loud roar of her husband, what she did, she put him inside the kettle. She hid him inside the kettle, and when the giant entered the castle, and then he asked he asked his wife that where is he can smell the blood of a young one. But his wife, she tried to hide him, and she said that there is no boy inside the castle, you are just smelling the ox hide. So after this conversation, giant sat down and he ate the ox meat, and then after that he started counting the money. He started counting his gold coins. Okay.